Well, good morning everyone. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the little thumbs up button or the bell or whatever it is down there. Right, today's video is we're not on the farm. We're at home because I've got a day off and I've got a mate of mine whose little tractor this is, which I borrowed. We're in my garage at home. You see the van's outside and so is the Discovery. This is the new purchase. Should have really washed it first, but yes, TD5 runs like a dream, automatic, just lazy person's car really. But I had this little tractor because I sold one of my, I think it was my rotavator I sold, but bringing it back here, it created a water leak for itself. So we have to replace one of these today, which is a core plug. But trust it to be one where you can't get anywhere near without taking half the engine to bits. There's that one down behind that bit of grass there. So I don't know how much I'm going to have to take off to be able to get to it, because I haven't really looked at it yet. But also we're going to take all the fuel filter off, this pump off the back here. Well, I know it's a hydraulic pump, but that's going to have to come off. See how much more we can get off. Maybe the air intake, or the air intake might have to come off. All these pipes are going to have to come off. Might have to take this panel off just to get it out of my way. But yeah, we've got core plug to replace down there. The one next to it doesn't look too pretty either. But trust it to be the one you can't actually get to, which is leaking. I mean, leaking very, very quickly. So what we'll do is we'll take the fuel filter off, probably a stop cable or stop rod. There's a stop rod on there because that doesn't work. Nor do half the dashboard, so none of the electric stuff really works on this. But yeah, I'll take this panel off, take the fuel filter off, take these lines off, and then we'll see where we get to. I might try and put you somewhere so you can watch on a time lapse somehow, but yeah, I'll see about that in a minute. Right, let's get some tools out. hope you enjoyed that little time lapse, because we're there now. It's this one here. Has a tiny little pinprick hole in it. So when it gets up to temperature and up to pressure, that absolutely pour water out of there, as you can probably see by the rust which is coming out. But yeah, we've got to it now, because before you can't even see this. So I have 2 core plugs. Hopefully they are the right ones. Yes, they are. So what I'll do is I'll knock them out, both of them, because while I'm in here, this far in, I'm replacing both. So I'll knock both of them out, and then I think we'll go in for some lunch. And as I'm working at home, it's bacon rolls. So I'll put you there. Let's just go get hammer and punch. Wow, these ones are well in there. There's one. Should still be able to see. This one's designed to be a bit more of a tricky one. There we go. You can see on the back, let me draw up, remember a bit of rag. You can see on the back and where it's just been filled up with water. So it's literally just rotted them away. So what I'll do now is we're going for lunch, and then let's see what time it is. I won't take too much to put this back together. I think what I'm going to do during lunch is move that up. Oh look, just water. That's why this is so rusty. So we shall let that drain during lunch, and then we'll come back after lunch Let's see what it's like. Right, so it's actually the next day now. I got busy doing other stuff yesterday afternoon. I've just picked up the new ones. Yep, nice shiny new. I think are lovely, just the right size. No, that is not going to work in the slightest. So, I'm going to leave this video here for today, and once I get the right parts, I shall make another one. So this has ended up being a two-part video. So yeah, I stuffed that up. So I'm now going to pack all my tools up, which are laying everywhere, and go see what's going on at the farm and see what I can get up to there. Right, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.